To share Canva presentation on Zoom, you want to have your presentation opened in Canva, as I have mine opened, and we are going to head over to Zoom because I already have my Zoom logged in. So this is my Zoom account and I want to share a Canva presentation to it. I will click on share here, and you want to select the Canva window you want to present, or if you choose to present your entire screen, you can just click on share. If you want to also make sure that the sound from your presentation is shared, you click on share sound so that it picks up the sound. If your presentation has sound, that is picked up too. And when we select the window we want to share, which is our Canva app, and you see the layout, how it will look from here, we'll click on share. You can see all those windows are up. I'm going to just click on this to take it up, and if I just click a little up, that will disappear and you see our presentation has started. You can see the little bubble here for you to be able to see people that are in your meeting, or you can just minimize that if you don't want to see anybody, you just want to talk through your presentation. So I'm just going to bring it back up and I will go to this all present mode. If I click this drop down, I will choose on present full screen. So I'm going to click on present full screen and you see my presentation open. So this is why I like minimizing this part so it doesn't interfere with me looking at people and all that. I just flow with my presentation and I begin to move and make my presentation. And once you're finished with your presentation and you want to stop sharing, you just click on stop share.